So at this point in your project, you will have made your octopus body, the tendrils, and done one single crochet in the back loop only on the bottom. So the only things that are left to do is to decrease to close up the bottom and sew it shut. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to decrease. So in order to decrease, you insert your hook in a stitch, like you go to single crochet and you pull up a loop. But instead of finishing that single crochet, you go into the next stitch, insert your hook, and pull up a loop again. And now you yarn over, watch carefully, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that takes 2 stitches and makes them into 1 stitch. So I'll show you again. So let's see. So you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now, in between these decreases, you're going to single crochet however many is indicated on the pattern sheet. And then that will create the closing of the bottom. Now, I'm going to show you one little bonus tip. You don't need to know this, but it's just another option, another way to decrease. So another way is called the invisible decrease, and in that you insert your hook in the front loop only of a stitch, and then you go to the next stitch and you insert your hook in, oops, there we go, in the front loop only as well. And you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You don't need to know that, but that's just a little extra tip if you want to go above and beyond. But I'm going to finish up these decreases, and I am going to meet you back here when it's time to sew. But I just wanted to say that you can kind of see how it's closing up, and eventually you'll go from 30 to 24, and then 18, and then 12, and then 6. And then when you only have 6 stitches left in your circle, that is when you sew the bottom and you're all done. So let's go there now.